Welcome. My name is Miriam Linderman, and I am excited for you. If you're on this page, you are probably wondering what this workshop is like, and so I want to give you a flavor for it. Every week, I bring in something new, something for you to experiment with, to try out, and it's geared to the members of the group. So because the group is so small, on purpose, I get to know what your needs are, and then I bring something that will be of help. And as you can imagine, whatever is of help to one is of help to another. So I bring something and we play with it, or you play with it, and you experiment. And then we listen to each other, or you listen. I'm listening to you. I'm not necessarily always writing with you. I sometimes do, depends on where we're at. And when we're listening for the resonance we feel. We're listening for what it is that you're saying, but there's no critiquing. We do not crosstalk. We receive. We're there to receive each other and to celebrate what's been written and acknowledge what's been written. So you'll definitely see us responding to the work. You'll see it in our faces, and our hearts will be touched. But there's no pressure. Creativity works better, and so does the imagination, when all we're doing is lightening up about it. So, what you will learn in the 8 weeks is how not to take yourself too seriously and how to keep showing up to see what it is that writing wants from you, what it is that it wants you to write about. And that is a really neat concept, because here we're learning to have a relationship with writing rather than trying to force writing into something. And it makes our job a lot easier. Instead of having to figure everything out with our heads, we use our heads, but we're also pretty much in touch with what's going on here in our hearts. And that informs the writing. And that makes it easier for us. So we can let go of the control and listen for what's coming through. It's a wonderful, magical sense of exploration. And I'm very excited for you to join if you feel so inclined. So I'm going to end now, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.